Good morning, you guys. So, first off, I'm coming down with a cold. I was miserable last night. Um, I have the sniffles. This side of my nose is very irritated. Like it feel like something tingling and burning at it. Then it got my throat. It's not hurting, but it feels weird all on this left side. It's like this whole side right here. And my nose keeps draining, so I have to keep blowing my nose and whatnot. Horrible. So I was thinking about doing what I eat in a day video because I haven't done one of those in quite a while. Like, I just hate how I sound. If my throat feels so weird, it doesn't hurt. It just, I don't know, just feel like something is back there, and I hate that. But I'm supposed to be doing some mukbangs too, so I can't really say what I eat in a day with that because it's like kind of clashing. But I do have to do the seafood mukbang for this channel only. I do a Captain D's video for this channel only because I did buy the food. I just haven't ate it yet. And of course, let me tell you something, a quick tip. For any food, if it's been fried or something and whatever, um, get the food, whatever you bought, put it in a pan. God, hold on. I'm sorry. I gotta do this. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Didn't make a big of a difference. But anyway, put the food inside of a flat pan. A flat pan or a saucer, whatever you have, or cake pan, doesn't matter. Put it in that. And put your oven on 350 degrees. Or you can do it higher. It doesn't matter. Just better watch it. Better watch it. And you let it cook. It's basically reheating itself from the inside out, and it's going to make the skin on the outside crunchy. So your skin that was once soft from being in the refrigerator is now crunchy again. So now you have that crunch. You know. So yeah, that's a quick tip if you did not know. If you had bought chicken a day or two before and you want to eat chicken instead of warming in the microwave, the skin be soft or whatnot, just throw it in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes and watch you have moist, crunchy food. Period. Even with pizza. If you bought a pizza and you want it always soggy and cold, you put it in the oven, let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes, get it hot, nice hot and chewy, crunchy, firm crust. Try it. A tip in case you didn't know. So I'm out. So you guys, I got me some chicken noodle soup. I don't have that many noodles in here. It's mostly just the broth. Probably like maybe 5 noodles that it has been cut in half. Trying to show you a piece. Mostly just veggies, broth, and chicken, celery. They go a noodle with the chicken too, but like noodles like there's probably like 5 of those in there. But I actually really don't eat them because I don't too much care for the texture of it. Like, whatever. But at least I get all my protein from my chicken and I got my broth. I add some season to it. I got it spicy like I want it, but I think I need a little more salt. But I don't think I'm going to add none because I'm trying to lay off the salt. Not too much salt. So I'm trying to enjoy it like it is. I added black pepper because spicy foods open up your nose and everything and clears everything out as you eat it. Breaks it down. If you have mucus back there, hot soup doesn't have to eat it while it's hot. So I put black pepper in it for the spiciness to open up my nose and all that. Onion powder, some hot sauce. I think I put a little bit of salt, and that was it. Hot sauce for a little spicy flavor too, with a little bit more kick. I can definitely say at least there's a tad bit more salt, but like I said, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm eating my soup and I'm watching Waiting to Exhale. And this is my Tuesday morning. So I'll be sipping on this for breakfast and throughout to lunch. And so when I get to lunch, I'm gonna try to starve myself a little bit with snack on something small. So I can do my mukbang for dinner. So yeah. I love carrots. I feel that spiciness kicking in now. And I pray you guys stay warm and don't get sick, because all my babies been sick now. Fallon sick. I always kissing them on the lips of my baby. So, oh, alrighty. I'm out. This is my dinner. Not dinner. I'm sorry. This is my lunch. A small little Caesar salad with a small chicken breast. Is like the palm of my hand. I'm going to chop that up little bit by little bit after I eat my salad. I'll let you know if I eat it all or not, of course. So yeah, that's about it. And I'll see you later. What's up, you guys? So this is going to be a what I eat in a day video, and this is going to be my brunch. I'm not eating it a whole one sitting. It's approximately about to be 11 o'clock. I think around by 10:30, somewhere along in there. Anyways, this is 3 boiled eggs and some peppered, oh, right there, some peppered turkey meat. So I'm trying to have this down within the next 2 hours because you guys know I can't consume all this at one time, but I like to have it in front of me as a reminder. Avis, eat, 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 because I don't eat three to four times a day like I'm supposed to. I only maybe eat like maybe once to 2 times, and the rest of it I'm just kind of like picking up snacks here and there, which caused me to stall. Of course, I haven't gained, I just stalled. And oh, God forgive me, a lie, I did. I gained 3 pounds and I lost uh like 2 now. Because a month ago I gained 5 and I lost 3. So now I'm back on track. So I think the best way for me to stay on track is to vlog my food and to remind myself to eat by having it in front of me. I have gotten rid of my Powerade and have been doing up a drinking water, which is right here. Okay, and I find these more easier to drink. They're 8 ounces. I said, okay, they're small, so I can go ahead and chug that down a little bit. You know, like a good 3 or 4 sips within maybe 10, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. I can't drink all of that fast, but I try to keep it in front of me so I can remind myself to drink. So when I constantly have it in front of me, it tells me, Avis, you can eat this, you can drink that. So I'm going to try to consume all this within the next 2 hours, so I can have all my protein in, because, you know, one boiled egg is 70 calories, and I think 7, I'll put it right here in the top of the video, can't remember offhand, but, like 7 grams of protein, so we have, like, 21 grams of protein with these eggs right now. So yeah, and the lunch meat, I can't remember that right now either. But anyway, enough chatting. I'm gonna try to get some of this down because I do have to go live in a few, and yeah. But love you guys. Let me know what you're having and if you are on a healthy eating habit journey, because it's not a diet. It's a lifestyle change, a lifestyle journey. See you later. Oh, let me turn my flash on so you can see. There we go. Much better. All right, bye.